Alright, hello. Eh. So, how's it going? Happy Friday. Kind of backlogged on a little bit of work. I did upload my video for 12 games a year today. So if you haven't checked that out, that's there. The videos are short, as usual. If I'm not mistaken, it's not even 3 minutes long. Oh, sorry, it's just over 3 minutes long. It's actually the longer of them. So this is the second longest. That's weird. Yeah. I didn't really talk much last week. Wednesday, because I had stuff I needed. I woke up late, so I was already frustrated with that. And then I had stuff to do in a little bit, so I kind of was rushing through everything. And I didn't really talk about stuff. I'm right on time today. I'm kind of vibing right now, mostly because I woke up yesterday. Yesterday I had some dental work done. I had to get a crown, so I have a temporary crown right now. And I didn't realize until after the the numbing wore off, because I had to get the harder stuff to deal with the drilling. But I didn't realize until after the numbing wore off that my teeth didn't fit together properly. So I wasn't able to eat at all yesterday. Well, I say not eat at all. By that I mean I had oatmeal and I swallowed it whole like a fucking snake. It brought back up bad memories of when I got my wisdom teeth out, and that's the only way I could eat. And I had to eat pancakes and eggs like that. I still haven't had any pancakes since then. It's been over a year now. I genuinely got sick of them. But this morning I had to wake up early. Well, not had to. I did though, and got that all fixed, so now I can finally chew again. But I went to sleep very early last night because of it. Well, I don't know if it was because of it or just because I didn't feel like drinking any pop. So I had no caffeine in my body for the entire day. I fucking crashed at 10 at 10 at night. I crashed. I laid down in my bed and I was just going to look at TikTok for a little while. I ended up falling asleep while watching TikToks until 1 a.m. and then I just was like, fuck, I'm just gonna go to sleep completely. Fuck. Then I woke up this morning at 6. So I've been up for, 8 hours now? If this was any other... If this was my usual time getting up, it would be 8 at night or right now. So, yeah, I'm not used to waking up this early, especially not during stream days. So, maybe it's a good thing. Maybe I should do this more often because I don't know how this is going to affect me. Because I always kind of wanted to stream with a specific vibe. I don't know. And I always felt like I never really achieved my goal. I never wanted to be like a trying to think of how to describe it. I was never really high energy, but at the same time, like, it feels like I am sometimes. And I don't really like that. I kind of like just a laid back kind of feel. But you do what you what comes naturally. But yeah, I wanted to. Today is probably going to be more laid back. I am going to be doing the complete refactoring today. Well, starting it. I haven't done it yet, but I decided I might as well just do it. Which means that there's going to be a lot of work, and it's going to be. Some of it's going to be potentially very bad, and it's basically rebuilding the game from scratch. But not really, because I already have everything written. I'm just basically moving things and rewriting things to make it work with a new set of rules. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. Okay. Oh, I don't have the screen up. There we go. How do you like my new layout? I think I like it better like this. I do have plans for the future. To make my own Pomo timer instead of using this website. It'll give me better control over everything. But, you know. Statements after this break are never executed. Settings, language is not a type. Oh, I didn't finish. Shit. In reify, is that where I'm? Yeah. 115, 117. 115, 117. Language is not. What? It's not a type. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? It's not. Oh, is it? I'm stupid. Oop. Yeah, it's generic case. Yeah, there we go. Okay. And that means the debugger is open now. Why was it so tall? Alright, so. Looking at this, I've got a lot of work to do. So, the main goals of this refactorization is to separate everything out. See, it's hard to look to see how other people program in this language, because if you try to search, like, Odin projects, you get the Odin project. So, I just want to see an example of what other people do with this language. View all results on GitHub. Advanced search. Language. Oops. Odin. Search. Maybe this is actually a good look. Ooh, lots of shit. Lots and lots of shit. Alright, so this has a main. And it has a similar. Okay, so it has a similar kind of shtick, it looks like, to what I have. Okay. Or at least what I was going towards next. Let's see. Okay. So, what I want to do with this right now is, because going about moving everything around like this is going to be a problem. What I'm going to do is, and you might be able to see it while I'm doing it here, because I'm doing it in the Explorer. Oops. Boom, boom, move. There we go. Oh, can't do it like that. I need to do it like this. New file. New file. So, one of the things I want to do. Don't really think I need Raylib open right now. So we have. Let's open up main and separate these windows. Oh fuck! You're gonna make me do it like this, aren't you? Yeah. Package main. I separated it out to make it easy to do shit, but I think I'm not. I think I'm gonna change how I'm going to do this. Update. Oh wait, there's another one I need to do, but it's going to be here instead. Main free. What did they use for the free? Init, render, end. Oh, they used end. Okay. Fair enough. Ooh, I did not mean to leave Discord open. I prefer to close Discord when I'm not using it. When I'm streaming, I mean. So, draw. All right. So this is what I'm going to move these into. Like that. So with main init, and then defer main free main. Well, okay, so I have main loop here. I'm going to separate this from a. So I need to import vendor raylib. And I can just copy this over. Main update, main draw. And actually, I am going to move these. Oops, I should have did it like that. So we have update and draw at the top here. I do have to leave for a brief moment in like 9 minutes. I just have to go do something literally for a second. It's not going to be long. Alright, so that's all good. So all that is done. Update, draw, main loop, okay. So main is all done with. Management is another one. So this is init. Okay, so I want to do this in roughly the same order. Debugging, system, settings, initialization, normalization. You know, I don't need. It's getting wordy. Player. Raylib. Is that graphics in general, or is because I want to separate the map into its own separate thing. Oof. We'll figure this out. Graphics. There's probably going to be long stretches of time with this process that is going to be there's going to be long stretches of this section of this update that are going to have no working version. Alright, so raylib. I'm gonna try and avoid using as much as possible. I'm gonna only use it probably in situations that now this raylib key, I'm gonna do that. Basically just get rid of it. This, like, I don't have the home key assigned in my brain to close it. So I'm much more likely to hit the close button. So might as well just take that out in general. Now this right here needs to be set forcefully. 1080, 720. I do want at some point for me to rename this, because I'll be honest, I'm not a big fan of FanGS. I think it doesn't roll off the tongue, but I still have no idea what to call it. Oh, I didn't start the timer. Fuck. I don't know how long I know how long I've been streaming for, but I don't know how long I've been working for. So I'll just start it now. So theoretically, oh wait, let me just make sure I have everything going. Theoretically, this should work. Game data. Where? Oh. Target FPS. Let me just comment that out. build. Undeclared name game data was where did I put game? Oh. Ugh. Alright, so I'm gonna also get into the habit of doing this. Just tagging everything with to do that I need to do. The problem is all this other stuff is going to have it in there too, so I can't just look at the to-dos. Although technically I can. Oh, I guess it depends. I guess we'll see. I don't think I actually have to go now. I just heard somebody else get home. We'll see. We will see. Alright, so we got this basically gives us a list of things to do. I think potentially getting these settings first, though, is probably good just because it solves these problems. So let's do that. New folder, settings, new file, structure. Probably seems weird how I speak like that when I'm typing, but it's because my brain can't multitask properly. And just saying it out loud makes it harder for me to type it. And it also makes it harder for me to say it because I'm typing it. It's a negative loop, and it just kills me inside. But for starters, settings. So, oh well, first game data, settings, move this over here, package settings, now there is one major problem. So the reason why I set up this whole game data system is because when you have multiple systems that interact with each other, you have to import them. But if you import them, you can potentially create a situation where you're importing something that imports something else. Okay, you have something that imports. You have Jesus. You have package A that imports package B, which imports package C, which imports package A. And that creates a cyclic loop that kills everything and doesn't let you compile. I personally don't understand why, but it is what it is. So, settings, data. I think I can just flat out copy all this stuff. I don't need to. Yeah. Why? What is that? There we go. Oops, that is the wrong thing. Please don't autoplay. Okay, good. I don't want to get copyright struck, especially not while streaming again. That was infuriating. But anyway, you know, that's everything. So, we got the structure now. We need, so this is creation. This is, okay, so this is create key binding. I'll get that settled. Alright, I'm pretty sure I'm not needed, but we will see. Alright, I have returned. Alright. I think... So, sorry, I just said that out of the blue without any explanation. You know, I think that is indeed true. No, what I was thinking of was just kind of thinking to myself that right now I have, like, my desk lamp on, but I also have my, like, bedside lamp, which is weird because it's within arm's reach of where I am currently, so bedside is a bit weird. My room is kind of small. But having that on actually kind of makes me want to get another lamp for the other side of my room. Because the overhead light is a bit too bright. But getting a light to just make it brighter in here without making it too bright would be really nice. Actually, I think I can just copy this. This code works just fine. Though technically I can just do this. I can simplify this massively just by doing this. Actually, I could just do this, couldn't I? So it looks better at least. Oh, it won't do anything because it's not being called at all. But don't need that because it's not part of that. Is that it? That is it for that. Alright, cool. Create done. Creation. Oh boy. Oh no. Look, settings from file. Are these the things? No, these are just... These are things that I didn't change at all yet. Alright, so... This is going to be a bit more complicated because this is where the actual work needs to be done. So... Package... Settings... So, first things first is I need to have the function that creates the settings. So, the one that is used in management is init. Is that in here or is this? No, that is not that one. So is it? It's in reify. Okay, so visualization. Oops. Oh, yeah, that's one thing I need to do, don't I? Where do I want to put this? I could do this here. I could do it. I'll just do it here. So there would be settings, data, settings, data. There we go. Now in theory that'll import everything now. Undeclared, okay, so key binding, cool. No, oh yeah, that's right. Key binding. Oh, and it compiled, cool. Alright, cool. Now, I should introduce other stuff. Like, if I'm not mistaken, let me pull up a map. I mean, the Odin overview so I can look at maps. Map. Alright, so delete key. Yes. Okay, so I am going to put this as a to-do here. Do that. Error checking. That is to say, I want two outputs. I want the key binding and I want error, quote unquote, like an error code. And I wanted to check whether or not origin and key exist. Because one of the things with maps is when you use them, well, when you get one like this, it's actually outputting two variables: the element you're calling and essentially a bool that says whether or not it actually exists or not. So if I called this and there is no origin, it's going to return null, or yeah, actually it's going to return 0 and a false as an okay. So yeah, I'm gonna need to do that. Do I want to type up? Yeah, I might as well type up everything just in case. Actually get rid of that error checking. To do I need to be consistent. Do it like that. Did I do that like this? No, I didn't. I didn't space. Ooh. Okay, that was weird. Yeah, no, I didn't space, so I'll just have the space. Yeah, do that. Alright, so. So it constructs it now. That's good. So now the problem is I can't init it like this. Ooh. Now that's something I actually don't know. I'm going to do a quick test. Open up structure. This is going to be completely temporary. Okay. Now if I do settings init structure, global settings is equal to new settings data, do that main settings.init, and then let's just do a source, new folder, testing. Test.odin. Test. Don't really need oh shit, that's right. Structure, this needs to be a pointer. And then I need to also import test into here. Oof. I just had a stroke. Like that. Oh, testing. Build. Global settings. Oh yeah, that's right. Now in theory, okay. Now if that is true, then if I were to comment this out, it should return nil. Yes, okay, cool. Ooh. I just wanted to make sure that that works how I assumed it worked. It's always good to make sure and double check that sort of stuff. If that is the case, then I don't need this because I can just have it here. So basically anytime anything wants to look at the settings, it just needs to actually import settings. The goal is to have everything as independent as possible, though. So, unless it's an actually, like, active thing, data structures will try to stay to themselves. but that all works. Cool. So key binding, blah blah blah, structure, blah blah blah, settings. Alright, so now we're doing this. We're actually importing this. Oh, that's another thing I wanted to do. So we have imports. So settings location dot JSON. Okay. Oops, let's actually copy everything. So I do have error. I had errors in here. So cut that, paste, copy, find. Delete that for now, but do this. Consistent to do. Logging. Settings location there. So it reads it, parses it, and then this all just takes that data and uses it. So if I just copy all of this, it days ago. I can actually rename these, or do this. Like that. Preparing for the future. Settings loaded. Okay. But I do need to comment that out. Add in to do logging. A lot of logging I need to make use of, but that's all good. Oh wait, I do need to do this. Settings dots data. I'll use it as that as a good generic name. That means exactly what I need. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see if that all works. No. Oh boy. Oh, it's because of that. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's because I don't have any imports, too. That also would help. What? Data of type value has no field window width. Oh no. I named this data. Fuck. Okay, that'll help maybe. Not there. Not there. Ooh, I don't have logging. I need to fix that. There. Let's take this. Error. There. Cool. All right. I should probably set these to the same things. But it's not that big of a deal. I know, it's fine. Okay, is it compiling now? 77. Ah. It's the last one. Build. Global settings is not declared by settings and it's in test. Oh yeah, that's right. Testing. Well, delete test. Well, not delete test, but just comment that out. It might be helpful for later. Alright, so it's working. Cool. So we have, theoretically, actually, it might be useful to, okay, testing, do that, redo that, delete that, save, test, do that, data. Let's see, what does it say? It'll tell us what's in it. Alright, so 1E, yeah, okay, it looks like English. Alright, font size 12. Alright, everything looks good, actually. Key bindings equal map, up equal, okay. Everything looks correct, actually. Which is surprising. Alright, so if that is the case, and oops, if that is the case, then I can take test here, comment this out, go here, get rid of this, get rid of those, and do that. Settings, data. It's a very simple change, actually. It's just adding a period in that place. Let's see if that works. Build. Okay, it compiled. Cool. All right. Now, though, there is something I need to do because okay, so first of all, this is initializing it, but it's initializing the entire thing, loading it as if we know that it can be loaded. But we can't. We don't know that it can be loaded. So we need to have a check. We need to change this up. So check for present file, and then so if basically checking if this doesn't exist, then we need to do more than just log the error. So we will be logging the error though. So log it, but comment it out. Failed to find the settings file. So it will then create new settings file from defaults. Now, here is a massive problem with that. The very easy way to do this is actually just taking this and creating a string out of this and then putting it in there. But that also means I need to update these every single time that there's a new addition. And that could be bad. It's nice and cool in my room. Today's been a really nice day. So, create new settings file from defaults. How do I want to do this? Because I can just... Creating the JSON file from defaults will be, no matter what I do, it will be annoying. But I have two options. I could have the defaults and then just fill in a general settings.json, save it, and then we already have these settings set. Basically like generating the file, then saving it. Well, basically there would be two functions. There would be create settings file, and then we'll create default settings, and then there would be save settings, and I'm going to need save settings no matter what. Actually, that's a good point. I'm going to need settings no matter what. How does JSON, the JSON package, does it provide a way to create a JSON file? Could I create like a JSON object or value thing and have it actually to like save it? Could I do that? That is actually very useful if I can. Is valid parser, parsable, right? Parse, blah blah blah. I'm not seeing anything. was really hoping that there would have been a way to make one by doing that, but it looks like no. Ugh. Oh wait, maybe. What is a marshal? What is a marshal? Because we can, there's one function, marshal the builder, which takes an input of a strings.builder v any and marshal options, and it outputs a marshal error. I'm wondering if that means because marshal options are essentially the spec of the JSON. Specification, pretty, bool, use line breaks and tabs, use spaces, bool, spaces, int, indentation, write uint as hex, mjson keys use quotes, use equal signs. mjson, I would be using, what would it be? I would be using, I don't know where it is, but oh yeah, here it is. JSON 5. Huh. So it might be possible to, I guess we can see. So let's just quickly do a generate default. So we take data, and it's basically just a data dot equal to blah. Take this, paste it a bunch of times, and then just copy. Make this look pretty. Do that so that I can do, do that. All right, let's pretty this up. Okay, so this would be 1080, 720, 80 languages. English. True. No. False. Font size 12. Move those down there. Or, yeah, that's fine. Now these, actually I could just copy this. Equals, so let's look at what we have here as the defaults. And do this 0, 2, 6, 5. Alright, so 1, 2, 2, 0, 2, oops, 1, 32, 0, 32, and is it this, no, 32, 61, and then it goes 45, 45, actually, let's do 50, but 48, yeah, 48, 49, and then 50 to 57. 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's all the defaults, at least for now. So, now, all right, so, this should be straightforward. Well, no, it won't be, will it? Or will it? Hold on, so, okay. Make parser from string, Marshall. Okay, so first things first that I know I need is Marshall options is equal to thing. Let me go up to Marshall options again. So spec, what's spec? Okay. Well, first I need JSON dot specification dot JSON 5. Go back up. Pretty true. Use spaces true. Actually, no. I want to use tabs. Spaces. Oh, 1. Oops. I didn't mean to do that. Indentation. let's just do true. It'll be fine. Indentation will be 1. Right uint is hex, false. And then those... that's 4 falses. I don't think they really will matter at all. Because it's all mJSON stuff. So that's marshal ops. Okay. So the next thing I need... Actually, there is a function called just marshal, which takes vany marshal opt allocator and outputs data in a U8 array, which, let me clone this tab so that I can look at OS. I should be able to save a file. File, read, write. Yeah. Write entire file. String, data, a U8 array, truncate bool. Yeah, okay. Cool. Cool. Alright, right, yeah. So we take marshal will be... Well, first of all, we need to actually make the thing. So we need a... What is it? It will be JSON data JSON dot... Now the question is... Let me look at the source really quickly. Marshal vany. Huh, that's funny. Marshal just uses marshal to builder. And then marshal to builder just uses marshal to writer. Huh. That's funny. v.id, okay, so okay, switch info in TI variant. So it looks like what it's doing is it looks at the ID, the type ID. That's an integer, maroon, float, quaternion, string, boolean. Enumerated array, dynamic array, info struct, info union. Alright, well, it's time for a break anyway. I'll figure this out in a moment. Let me take a small break to ease my weary eyes. myself. Sorry, it took me a minute to get back. I was just working on something. Just working on future. I was working on my journal, okay? I journal. Alright, let me fix my headphones really quickly. God. I dried my hair really weird this morning. Now my hair is kind of weird. But oh well. Alright, so. The goal was Jason. Oh no. Did I? No, I didn't. Why? Oh, commercial, that's why. Okay. So I wonder if I can do this. I'll just try a very simple. Oh my god. Why are they so loud right now? Jesus. So, sorry, I'm just cleaning off my desk. So, I'll do JSON.object for starters. Can I just make JSON.object? Does that work? Yes, it is. Is it? No, it has to be, right? Marshall underscore options. Marshall underscore options. That, what? No, what? I'm confused. It is declared by JSON. It literally is declared by JSON. Yeah. What? I'm confused. That doesn't make any sense. Marshall options is not declared by JSON. JSON.Marshall options is not a type. But it is, though. That's the thing. It is. Is there something I'm missing? Is there a way to make a Marshall? Marshall options, okay. Marshall. There are functions for this. Is this not how you... No, okay. don't know why this is not accepting it. It should be true. Should work. Don't know why it doesn't. Let's open this source file up. Yeah, no, Marshall options. It's literally in JSON, package JSON, file marshall.odin, Marshall options. What? This makes no sense whatsoever. What? Marshall, what? 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 I don't understand. Marshall option. Is not declared by JSON. What? You motherfucker. I am going to fucking murder someone. Oops. Fuck. Go back. History. When was this fucking added? Alright, fine. It's taken me this long to fucking do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. Fine. Where are you? Odin. Dev. This is literally this month's dev version. Windows. Extract files. Okay. Watch this break everything. Oh god. This is why I don't want to update this. I'm gonna create a backup of this. Copy. Paste. I should probably look to see what version I have. Odin backup, Odin delete. Why? Why do I need permission? Yes, delete it. Why do I need permission? hate you. I hate you. I hate you, VS Code. Wait, why isn't it angry? I deleted Raylib. I deleted... Oh. This file is literally the same thing. But why? Oh, why? Let's build. Oh, it's not doing anything. Oh. It worked. Okay. Alright. Fuck you. Alright, well, I don't even know what version I have. This is what version I had, I should say. Well, I guess I could look at that. Let's... Oh wait, I already closed it. Fuck. I guess I could do that. SDKs, Odin backup. When was this created? Or last modified? May. So, most of a year. I actually hadn't updated it at all since I started using Odin. Alright, so... Alright, so now I have to think of how I'm doing this. So JSON data... Let's just do a test. Test is equal to testing, and then I'll do a second one. There. I'll do that. Then I go to Marshall. JSON.Marshall. JSON data. Marsh opt. And that's it. File data. Error. Oops. There. Now I gotta go to os.write entire file. os.write entire file. Test.json file data, and that's it. If I build that, will it compile? Yes, it does. Cool. Let's just do this. So generate default settings, and then save the settings. And then I return, because I don't want to keep going through the rest of this if okay, so okay, it ran. Debug today. There's a log file. This was from sometime. It's not doing anything. I don't know why it's crashing. I should probably check that out. Is it that? Is it the settings? Whoa. Oh, it's because yeah. No, obviously not, because it's creating the thing. Hmm. Let's just keep that up so that I can actually see if it gets past all that. Oh, you know what? I'm stupid. I'm very stupid. Yeah, data settings.json delete build. Oh wait, shit. Settings.json delete. Run this. Oh, I can't close it. There. Ooh. That does not look pretty. That doesn't look pretty. What are you talking about? Pretty. That is the least bad problem to have right now. Let's just do it like this. And theoretically, that should be able to. I mean, those will default to 0 or false. So put them in reverse order too. Interesting. You know what? I will try doing that build and see what happens. Data delete settings.json. I should just have a kill for that. That didn't change anything. You know, I'm curious actually. True. False. Okay. Let's see what this does. Test JSON. That is not what I expected. But that is actually going to make it look better using mjson, so don't have to do all this shit. doesn't enter it though. Unless open with, choose another app. Hex editor? It wouldn't possibly be 5. Yeah, no. There's just no new lines. Why is there no new line? Use line breaks. I'll try this. It shouldn't do that because it should be set to true. Makes that happen. But I guess we'll see. Ooh, why is it opening that? Oh no. Stop it. Here, while I'm doing this, I'm going to do this true. That way it always does it. Oh my god, that's not... Why does it automatically open with... Choose another app. Always use this. Visual Studio Code. Why does it open with that? It makes no sense. Okay, well, now it should always replace it, but what do I do here? Why is it not... Why are there no new lines? Build. Run. Stop it. That didn't help anything. Is there a show schemas? What? Okay, whatever. What I wanted to do was... Is there an M? No, there's not. Wonder if it needs an M on the name for it to recognize it. I don't know. I'm just trying literally anything. No, it just sees that as plain text. Use spaces true. Quote, use quotes false. First brace. Here, I'll put all of these because there's also one other one that... There's also one that is not... Oops. Oops. Oh my god. idea what to do here. I don't know why it's not liking this. Why it doesn't enter. Why it doesn't have new lines. I'm wondering... Let's try something. One second. Okay. Let's try this. Let's see. JSON data. That's the right, yeah, it is. Okay. Build. Oh, wait. False. Build. Oh my fucking god. Okay. Let's try this. Okay, it created something. Let's see. Oh my god. Yeah, this is not very good. The Marshall function doesn't seem to be very good at all. Like, it's creating very shitty code. Does it being JSON 5 instead matter at all? Like, let's see. Oof. Why is the comma not there? Why is it just not... Wow, this is really fucking shitty. Hold on. What do these even do? They don't do anything. Unless it only works in JSON. This is fucking... This is something else. I have no fucking idea. Okay, opt right start. I'm trying to fucking parse this. It's not working. Is that what's going on here? Wait a fucking second. Alright, I am going to be looking at one more function in this fucking JSON bullshit. Is it here? I don't think so. No, it's not in this one. Where is it? Is it in this one? No, it's not in that one either. Not in that one. What? It's not in that one. Is it? It's not in this one, is it? No. Did I miss one? What the fuck? Oh, okay, we're up to right iteration there. Yeah, no, what the I'm so confused on why this is not working. Yeah, wait, what the fuck? Hold on. What the fuck is happening here? Okay, let's do this from a fresh perspective here. All right. Build that. Open these back up. Delete the old one just for the sake of being clean. Move this over. If opt.pretty io.writeByte \n new line. So why isn't it doing that? Hypothetically, because of this, if pretty is equal to false, we should see commas everywhere. Because for mjson, if iteration is greater than 0, and then it goes in if opt.pretty writeByte \n else write string, and then it's a comma space. So in theory, I didn't delete it. Maybe, hopefully it's fine. Yeah, okay. It wrote it all as one line, but no commas. What's going on here? Hold on, I'm gonna reopen thing. I know that's probably not the cause, just in case. Yeah, no. There's no commas being made. So, turning pretty on true, it should... That is not pretty at all. What the fuck are you on about? There you go. Okay. I'm so confused as to what's going on here. It's not doing what it's supposed to be doing. It flat out, like it says, in the case of mjson, if pretty is true, new line, but it's only doing new line for the key bindings though, and it's not even doing them in the right places. I'm so confused. Okay, so that's that. This is not working properly, and that... Okay, that's fine. But why... I don't understand why they don't... Why it doesn't enter there. On top of the, oh no, that's fine. It doesn't do it in any good order. It just does it. Oh, fuck. It looks like I'm... Wait, no, I can't even do it like that. What the God, I've spent almost an hour on this. No, I think I've spent an hour on this now. How do I do this? JSON was supposed to make this easier. Am I gonna have to build my own thing? I mean, I guess in theory I could make it relatively easy. Let's try this, I guess. True. Just so it's always making this. Don't need this anymore. We don't need this anymore. We do need this, but not that. So, how would I do this? I would do this as an... I could do it as a string builder. Let me open up strings. Okay, so this is going to be annoying. I think, no, right, it isn't like that. It's not in a group. Right, string. And then we have builder. And then the string, which to start with would be that. Having that as a good start. Oh no, how do you do quotes? Okay. Width. And then for everything, or is it just write rune, write quoted string, quoted rune, int I64. Data dot screen height, screen width. No. Oh wait, before I do anything, let's just do a quick test. This should be that. Build. Fuck. Alright, fine. If you don't want to do that, I'll just do that. Data of type settings, data has no... Yes, it does. Oh, I'm stupid. What are you talking about? It's I32 and int are exactly the same. Fuck you. Ugh. Is there an I32? No, there isn't. There isn't a right I32. Fuck you. I hate you. Undeclared name file data. Oh yeah, that's right. I need to turn it into a... Builder from bytes, cloned from bytes. Read at, write bytes. Wait, what? Builder from bytes. No. What? There's a way to turn it into bytes. Or is it? It's in format, isn't it? Oh my god. Why is that not with this? FMT. There you are. No, it's not in bytes. I mean in format. Oh wait, I'm stupid. I can just use builder dot buff build. Can I just do that? Thank you. Let's see what this made. Okay, that's already better than what I had. So if I do this, comma, new line, build, run, close, move over. There we go. There we go. That's already fucking... It's already working better than this bullshit. JSON with comments and this... Wait. What's the difference? Doesn't matter. Alright, short break time. Alright, I'm back. Let's finish this up. Now, we should be able to handle this no problem. It's just a matter of, what's it called? Annoyance. So screen width, screen height. You know what actually might help is doing it like this. That way I can see the structures of everything. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know why I'm hiccuping now. This is the first time I'm taking a drink of anything, you know, since the break. So screen height, screen width, target FPS. Let's just do this. Language. Oops. Language. Oh shit! How do I do that? I guess let's switch language case. Space. Oh wait, no, it already has a space. Do that. English. I feel like I'm just going to assume that the break isn't necessary. Spanish, German, French. Theoretically, if the breaks are necessary, then it'll say French. So we'll see. Okay, so language done. Edge scrolling. Oops, edge scrolling. That's edge scrolling. This edge scrolling. Oh, actually, boom. If thing do boom else do boom false. Oh wait, no, it already has that. Cool. True. Data dot move this up so that it's equal with that. Cool. Font size. Wait, no, wrong one again. Font size. Alright, and then it's key bindings. Oh fuck, this is going to be annoying. Oh shit, I'm still... I'm sorry about that. The first time I've streamed for longer than 2 hours, so... I'm running low. I was already tired to start with, so... Going even longer than... that is a bit annoying. So, first of all, I guess I'll just do this, separate them. Key bindings, boom. Oh, is this... Let's just make a little test run. Just to make sure everything's working. Because I'm pretty sure that I need tabs. Yeah, I forgot the tabs. So each of these also needs a /t. Which means I can actually get rid of that. /t/t/t/t/t/t build. Run. Boom. Oops. Move this over. Cool. Alright. So let's do the thing that closes this out, which is /n that /n/t /n build. Yep, okay. So, separate those. All right, so now this needs to go through each one of these and do each one. Fun. All right, so /t/t move up. /t origin do that do /n/n and then origin key, and then I need to add in this data dot key bindings, and it's fuck. There. I will generate a new one from this. That is the goal. Up. Dot origin. And then this should be dot key. And then same number as up, which is 2. And this would be, oh wait, don't need this. So it would be that slash n. And then it would be another one. Down. 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 Let's see how this looks. Build. Okay, close. Close. Okay, up. Okay, I just forgot the commas. Or comma, I should say. Okay, so then I just have to add the comma up there, and that works. So the comma up here as well. Make sure everything's fine. The only error is this comma right here, which technically is not an error because that's supposed to be there. Okay, don't save. I will do another enter here so that it keeps this kind of formatting. But other than that, I think I'm good. So down, left, right, left, 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 right. Grab map, zoom, zoom. Pause. Fast. Slow. And then MM0 through 9. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Seven, 8, 9. Now this should be an exact duplicate of it, except for some names being different. So let's put this back over here and look at it. Okay, screen width. Alright, that's all correct. 12, 0, 22. Down, left, right. It's all, oh wait, aside from M9. Okay, so M9, take away that and that. Build. Run. And now this should, yes, okay. Now if I take this and do settings, compile it, run it, close it, take this, replace that file in there. Actually, let me go back to data, rename this old, paste, save. Now if I go to settings at the top, get rid of this, theoretically all of the options should be right. 65. Grab map. Did I incorrectly? What? No, I got it right. Settings.json. Grab map. Oh, grep map. Grep map. Fuck. Let me grab map. Compile and let's see. Oh, and it runs. All of it. Ooh, faster and wait. It is not in order in the slightest. Faster is 0 for some reason, and zoom position is also 0. Oh, wait, I think those are actually fine. Yeah, fast is supposed to be 0, slow, wait. Why are those 0? Wait, I'm very confused. I'm very, very confused. Why is there always something on the keyboard? Man. Alright. Let's look at creation, create settings. So, okay, so move up 0265. Down 0264. 263, 262. Grab map is 1, 2. Zoom position is 2, 0, and then 2, 1. Pause is 032. Fast is 045. Slow is 049. And then, wait. Overworld is 40. This is 45. Slow is, oh, fast is 16. 1. 45, 48, 49, 50, 51 through 57. Don't think that, wait, 49. Oh yeah, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. God, how does new things always end up on my my mouse pad? I don't get it. Alright, so I can delete old. Oh, the reason why it fucked up is because I renamed it, so I get it. I get what's going on here. Alright, so data / settings JSON. God, that is an infuriatingly long thing. But we finished that. It only took us 3 hours, but we managed to finish settings, I think. Get rid of this. Oh, wait. Settings location. Alright, cool. Now the question is, do I want to continue? Oh, I'm so tired. Fuck. I guess I can do... I'm going to assume that logging, like debug logging, isn't going to take it that long. So we can do that next. Is there anything else, though, I'm missing from settings? There's fuse, which I don't really need anymore. And if I do need them, I'm going to put them in some sort of utility rather than this. And then this is all done, basically. Yeah. Oh, yeah, free. I need to do free. Let's put it here. Easy. Oh, yeah, that's right. Fuck. Just to avoid confusion. You know what? Actually, I prefer close. I think close is probably better. There we go. There. Okay. So now, debugging system. Let's do that really quickly. Now, is there game data for logging? Doesn't look like it. New folder, debug, wait no, debug. and new file logging .odin. Package debug. Constants, procedures. I think for the most part, all of this is already pretty self-contained. If log, okay. If log already exists, delete it. Yeah, okay. I made these pretty good, to be honest. Oh wow, I ran out of music. Oh, it was only 3 hours long. Oh god, it's so hard to find good copyright-free lo-fi. Fuck. Guess I'll just do the cafe. So yeah, this should be fine. It's already basically on its own. Let's open up management. Was there? Oh yeah, logging. Build. What? Oh. Debug. Ah. So I can't debug dot. Okay. Debug. Build. 41. I missed one. What? Oh, main. Build. There we go. Now, theoretically, debug, go to the bottom, we got a log. Creation date, loaded program settings. Now, theoretically, data, if I get rid of this, settings, start this up, close it, fail to find settings file. Can actually get rid of these now. Alright, so I do want to add no, I don't need it to in the generate. I do need it in at the end here. Have it well, I'll have it after it's done. Error settings, saved. Well, technically it's not an error. Build. Theoretically now, take this log, delete the data, start it up, close it. Settings was generated, and saved program settings. Now, this is the settings file generated. Make sure everything is fast. Why is fast and slow incorrect? Fast and slow are incorrect. Let's look. Left, right, grab map, zoom, pause, negative, pause, fast. Is it not fast? No, it is. No, it's not. Okay, that's good to know. Faster, 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 slower. That is good to know. Did that? Ooh. Delete both of those. Delete that. Run it. Clear that. So this is the log. Failed to find saved program settings. Cool, cool. Actually, I'm also going to do this really quickly before I do more. /T. I feel better doing that. That'll even everything out a little bit. Hopefully. Please. Oh god, it's not going to. Okay, so this is the settings file. Make sure everything has numbers. It looks like it. Cool. Now let's look at the log. Yay! I'm happy with that. Okay, cool. Cool. And now if I run it normally, okay, it's still opening. What's the new log say? Loaded program settings. Okay, cool. All right, cool. All right, logging already done. Don't need anything. This is all set and done. Cool. All right. Close these up. Save. So settings is now fixed and done. Simplified. Cool. I have turned, what is this, 5 files into 3. Let's see how many lines I saved. Let's see. Oops. This one. So that's 20. One more. 8. 38. 61. 159. So there's that. So then this is 16. 33. 343. I mean 373. That's fucking hilarious. So I now in these 3 files have 373 lines of code. The previous number of lines of code for settings, I saved 23 lines. Well, I got rid of 23 lines. That is actually hilarious. I did basically nothing line-wise, but I've just improved it so much, in my opinion, at least for right now. In a month, I'll probably look back on it and be like, ew, it's disgusting. I don't like it. Ew. But for now, it's good. So, now that we got that all handled, logs, settings, localization, player, graphics. Oh god, we still got a lot of work to do. But it's coming along nicely. The problem is I don't think we can handle, and unless player might be really simple to handle. So let's just do that really quickly. I could probably whip that out in an hour. Player. Actually, new folder, game, put player in there. New file, structure, Odin, package, player, imports, structure. Alright, now game data, open up player here. Definitely going to need that, I know that for a fact. Don't know if I'll... Oh yeah, I'm going to want to change these anyway, so... I will copy this over, but this will be under a big, heavy to-do. We have camera, last mouse position, current slow. Okay, everything there is correct. Okay. I'm looking at this, thinking of what I could change. But I don't think there really is anything. So let's pull out a reify here. And move back over here, new file, player.odin, wrong place. Okay, so oh yeah, that's right. I did forget one thing. There. That's... Ooh, shit. That's where I put that, right? I put it in structure? Yep. Cool. So though I might want to actually, I'm going to actually put this as a to-do. Might want to move this to a game package. Because I want to have all the like core game stuff in here. I want to have this be organized, you know, instead of having all this shit all over the place. And I might want to have this declared somewhere else so that things aren't always importing player data. But at least for now. Data dot data is equal to new player data dot position There we go. Camera slope. What's camera slope? Oh, I know what camera slope is. I want to rename that. For now, though, that's fine. Did I rename... There. Okay, so now main player. Oh, actually, it would be does everything compile? Province day. Oh, that's right, yeah. Also, oh no, wait, that's fine. Let's organize all of this together. Do that, build. Okay, and that builds. Cool, cool. All right. Player initialization is working. So now it's time for player that updates. File updates dot Odin. That over here. This might not I'm just going to copy it all and then compile and see what happens. Yeah, that's what I figured. Well, let's start by getting rid of the things that don't exist. Oh god, matrix math. Oh god, why do I have that? I forget. It's in utilities. I'm pretty sure I can just bring over utilities. Pretty sure I can just do that. Build. Ooh, okay. So, 25. Game data. Title screen, pause menu. Ah. That's one done. 30. Okay. Fuck. I might need to wait to do this part, actually. Because there's so much that are entirely dependent on other things. Yeah, I think I'm going to just yeah, because it has so much to do with so many other things. Like, I can comment that out. This'll be fine, these will be fine. This will be fine. Actually, all of movement will be fine as long as I fix the except this. And this. This is that. If I do all of that, what does that look like? 35. Oh yeah, because I don't have raylib imported. You don't have using raylib. I like that. This will help clarity. Oh shit. R data. Build. Ooh. Wait, what? Is key down? Oh, that's mine. I forgot I made that function. Is it in here? Using map modes? No, it's not. Where is that? Is key down? Where is that function? Ah, here it is. I didn't realize that was part of settings. Oofda. Alright, well, let's just go across this entire thing, comment all of it out. I'll take my break now, actually, because I feel like we're gonna be finishing up settings. We didn't actually finish it, as it turns out. Alright, be back in a little bit. Alright. Last stretch. This is the last stretch of work. First, let's just make sure. Okay. Oh, I forgot. Game data, player. I forgot the constant thing. There. Okay, undeclared vector 2 and 42. Here it is, raylib. Okay. Finally, mouse is key mouse down, is key down. It's a part of key bindings. I still have to do this entirely. I didn't even know that was a thing. I didn't even look. I totally forgot. Should I put this in settings though? I guess. Yeah, because it uses settings. Keys. I think that's a good enough name for it. There. Alright, so is equal to data dot key bindings key if res is false, do debug dot debug no game data. Let's just smash those together for now. Debug dot add to log. Let's just copy this over. Keybind key binding tempt /t. Okay. And now switch keybind dot origin case 0. I can just copy these. Is key pressed is oops. think this is the right order. I can't, hold on, let me open up Raylib just to make sure. Pressed. Is key pressed? Yeah, pressed. Oh, pressed is. Fuck. I had it in reverse. Oh god. Down. Pressed is pressed once. Down is held. All right. Well, good. I found out now and not later. Just copy this. Oops. Copy. Did it even really need the game data? I'm not seeing why it would. Oh, I know why it would need Raylib though. Keyboard key mouse button. Oh. Those. Mouse button. There. That should be all of them. Now let's see if that builds. Oh. Key pressed. Alright, so in here then. Build. Undeclared name settings data. Alright. That is a good. Oh, there. That's just data. Thank you. Ooh, logging. This is definitely debug. Okay. If I run it. Ooh. What is happening here? Target, debug. Let's just delete these, delete the log, and run it again. Something about loading. Something about loading the previous, save file. There was probably an error with it. Oops, that's the wrong thing. Let's copy this. Go to FanGS data, paste, replace. Delete that old bin. Okay. Yeah, everything's working now. It's working fine. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. So that's all handled. Which means I need to go through each one of these. Got this so much to do. Boom, 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 boom. And then, oh, that's already done. Cool. Alright, there is so much to do. Oh, God. Player camera. I think player camera can be used just fine. Move that. Settings dot player Now our problem is a lot of this stuff I won't know if there is a difference in for a little bit, which is a problem. I think that's all good. Build. It seems to be fine. I won't actually know if it's fine or not until I actually get graphics working. Oh wait, that wasn't even being called. Is it even... It does compile though because it's in the same file. So that's fine. I have 16 minutes left. Alright, well, I think that's all I can do for now. I'm definitely going to want to go back through this and fix some of the structural problems. Maybe make my own custom camera structure that adds in the zoom camera slope into it for simplicity. And since I would be tacking them onto the end, it would still function as a pointer to a normal camera 3D. We've gotten a good bit of work done, though. I think this is a good place to stop. Not getting started on anything. I guess I could technically do date, but oh, you know what? I should probably do player.update. Should probably actually call that. It's not like it's going to do anything because there's nothing being drawn. Which I should actually do because I'm pretty sure that's the reason why nothing is working. If I just do that build. Ooh. Boom, 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 boom. There you go. Now it's working. Now it's not halting. Cool. All right. But yeah, I think that'll be it for today. I do want to add a new folder. Oops. Not capital G, lowercase g. And a new folder, map. One of the main things I want to do is I want to have the map just completely essentially work on its own, so that once I do figure out shaders and whatnot, I can just do a simple swap in for a new system. That's at least what I hope for in the future. But yeah. This is already looking cleaner than the old one. I do wonder if I'm going to use the JSON format for localization. I could. I'll have to think about it. I'll have to think how that would all work. But that'll be it for me today. I'm really tired now. Let me just commit this. Oh god, what is my commit thing? It's -p. Okay. Started refactorization. Finished. Options. And player. Let's see what all this says. What's all the changes? How many changes are there? There's a lot of changes. I feel like that's wrong. 1,250 insertions, 105 deletions. I feel like that's wrong. But, whatever. Alright. Well. Alright, I stopped recording. Because I'm trying to get into the habit of not recording the beginnings. I forgot beginnings and endings. I forgot this at the beginning of this stream. But, going to try to remember that for the future. But I do plan for, so one, I'm hoping I get the video covering this past week, these 2 episodes, these 2 streams. Fuck, my brain is fried. From Wednesday and today. I'm hoping I'll get the recap done by Monday. We'll see, though. I'm going to try to. I'll also try to get another one for the couple weeks after the first 2. Or the first one. I think I mentioned it in the episode, in the first recap, but I fully do intend on covering multiple weeks in the first couple stream recaps, because a lot of that work is just completely gone at this point. Not only that, but I'm refactoring right now, so a lot of it up until this point is going to be meaningless. Not all of it, obviously, but a good portion of it. So Monday should have that done, hopefully. And then on the 30th, we'll have the final thing for December's game, which I'm working pretty good on. Check out the video if you want to know more. But next month, January, unless I'm mistaken, Sour Yared mentioned that there's going to be a game jam and that's probably how we're going to spend the game for January, which is fun. You know, that'll ease some of the load because it means we don't have to worry as much. We can spend a weekend worrying about it, and that's it. Spend the rest of the month just working on other stuff. That would be nice. But yeah, that'll be it for me today. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.